Project 4, The Journey of Corn. Introduction. Corn is not just food, it is history, tradition, and life. For thousands of years, the peoples of Mesoamerica grew it, cared for it, and celebrated it. Today, we still eat it every day in tortillas, tamales, atolls, and many other dishes. In this project, we will learn where corn came from, how it has traveled through time and around the world, and its role in food, biodiversity, and Mexican culture. We will also learn how to plant it, watch it grow, and protect it. Reading. The plant that came from the sun. A Mayan legend says corn was born from the sun. The gods hid it in the heart of a mountain, and humans searched for it with wisdom and hard work. When they finally found it, a golden plant sprouted. Since then, corn has been at the center of life. It gives us strength, brings families together, and feeds communities. Each grain holds a story of the farmer who plants it, the woman who makes masa, the child who kneads the dough, and the grandparent who tells stories while the tortilla warms on the griddle. Exploration. From seed to plate. What is corn? Corn is a plant domesticated by the original peoples of Mesoamerica over 9,000 years ago. It comes from teosinte, a wild plant. The corn cycle. 1. Seed. 2. Germination. 3. Growth of stem and leaves. 4. Flowering. 5. Ear of corn forms. 6. Harvest. Types of corn in Mexico. Mexico is the center of origin and diversity of corn. There are 64 native varieties, with kernels in many colors: white, blue, red, black, yellow, and even purple. Uses of corn. Food, tortillas, tamales, esquites, pinole, pozole. Traditional medicine, corn silk for tea. Crafts, dried husks for dolls and flowers. Festivals and rituals. Activities. 1. Reading comprehension. What does corn represent in the Mayan legend? Where does it originally come from? Why is it important in daily life? What types of corn do you or your family know? 2. Creative writing. Write a story told by a corn seed. Include how it was planted, how it grew, what it saw around it, and how its journey ended. Example. My name is Big Tooth. A grandmother planted me in the spring. I felt the sun, the rain, and the birds singing. One day, I became a tortilla and traveled in a school lunch. Experiment. Growing corn at home. Materials. Corn kernels. Cotton. Jar or cup. Water. Instructions. 1. Place damp cotton at the bottom of the jar. 2. Put corn kernels on top. 3. Keep the cotton moist and watch for changes over 10 days. 4. Record your observations in a chart each day. Question. What does corn need to germinate? Math on the farm. 1. If one corn plant gives 2 ears and a field has 300 plants, how many ears are harvested? 2. If each tortilla weighs 30 g, how many tortillas can you make from 1 kg of masa? 3. A farmer plants 10 rows with 20 seeds each. How many seeds in total? 4. If 80% of seeds grow, how many plants will there be? Geography and corn culture. On a map of Mexico, locate main corn growing areas: Oaxaca, Puebla, State of Mexico, Chiapas, Sinaloa, Jalisco. Places with corn festivals: Tamaulipas, Guerrero, Tlaxcala. Research. What traditional corn dishes are made in your community? Art and expression. Make a corn collage with seeds, husks, recycled paper, and colors. Create a poster to protect native seeds with messages like "Corn is life" or "Protect native corn." Draw the Mayan legend showing the gods and the mountain of corn. Evaluation. Self-assessment. I understood the corn cycle. I grew my own seed. I wrote a story from the corn's point of view. I can find corn growing areas in Mexico. I know traditional dishes from my region. Peer evaluation. Did our team care for the seed together? Did we respect everyone's ideas for the poster or collage? Did we listen carefully to each other's stories? Final product. Classroom Corn Festival. Include seed growing displays, corn seed stories, collages and posters, recipes or drawings of traditional dishes, a small symbolic altar with corn ears and flowers. Invite parents and other classes to participate.